such an opening left rein and close your fingers. Don't circle again, circle again. You can go around this jump if you need to. Good. Hands a little closer together. Don't make it quite so obvious. There you go. Good. Good. Close your fingers on your left rein. Very nice. I want that steadier contact with the horse's mouth is much better. And as you do this, you don't want the horse to speed up. You want to maintain the same speed. Maybe you circle here and ready to turn. Circle, take his mouth and bend him to the right. Make him give a little bit more of his body and maintain the same speed. Maintain the same speed. Good. And be careful. I'm sorry, I forgot your name. I forgot everybody's name. Try to be careful your curve rein and your snaffle rein are the same length. Try to keep a little more consistency in your reins and then a little more consistency in the trot. Okay, now again, still, I want you to circle here at the end. I still want to see more bend out of that horse. And right and direct rein. Don't pull down. Don't pull down. Bend the arm. Don't let him speed up. Don't let him speed up. Right and direct, don't let him speed up. There. There. That's what I want. Raise your right hand. Raise your right hand. Raise your right hand. Very good. Very good. Okay, let them walk. Catch your breath. We're not going to totally harp on the flat today. You know, we're going to do enough to lose